Welcome to this quick check about sway bars. So we have sway bars for all generations of the MX-5 in our program from Whiteline. These sway bars always come with fitting or correct fitting rubbers, with adjustable end links and some other mounting material so that you have a proper installation. At the beginning, a little explanation. What is a sway bar? What is its purpose? All generations of the MX-5 have from OEM installed sway bars from Mazda. These sway bars connect more or less the left to the right wheel, and they stop the rolling of the car to the left or to the right while driving through corners. This effect can be made stronger so that it stays in its position and doesn't move left or right while driving with these stronger sway bars. All sway bar kits always come with a TÜV certificate, so for the German, Austrian and Switzerland guys, you have papers with you to get the stuff street legal and you can drive your car legal again. Also, nice to know, these sway bars are also adjustable. As you can see, they have different holes to install the end link and connect it to the rest of the chassis, and the choice of the hole makes the stiffness of the sway bar and its effect. On the front axle you have normally 2 positions to install or 2 hardness. On the rear sway bar you have 3 holes to install the sway bar. As you can see, they always come with adjustable end links for the front and for the rear axle. One MX-5 generation does only have the adjustable end links in the front generation. It should be the MX-5 ND. To know what's the matter or what's the purpose of them, there we made a video where you get it explained. You can have a look here. So what's also interesting or nice to know, does the stronger sway bars change anything about the ride comfort? In general, it depends on. So when you're driving on a bad road and the impact from the road to the car comes on both sides of the wheel, so on the left and on the right, the sway bar is not really working because it's just moving up and down equally on left and on right. But if the impact comes on only one side, then you will feel a little difference in comparison to the old sway bar. So the effect of less comfort is really tiny, and so it doesn't matter, you still will more have the same comfort as before. We really like to combine these stronger sway bars together with a not that hard coilover setup, for example, because as I told you, you still have a comfortable riding with the car on the street, but you have less rolling to left or right while driving fast through corners, and this gives a very nice mix together. Installation of sway bars in general is not that difficult, but with the newer the generation gets, it gets more difficult. So an A and an B is pretty easy to install, and C, there's a little problem with space when you're working, and ND is very hard to install. So just talking about the front sway bar, the rear one is always pretty easy, but the front sway bar will take some time with the ND and will take some tools. So if you are not sure whether you're able to install something like that, just contact us to get an appointment or a quote for an installation in our workshop. And also, if you don't know whether you need something like that or is it the right thing for your purpose, also just contact us and we will give you the correct advice.